A couple people said that the video wasn't working on the link on the doc, so I'm posting it up here.
So beautiful, they can't imagine it's not the natural state of all people.
We see Athens as his birthplace, where people decide, instead of having a ruler tell us what to do, we are going to rule ourselves.
Democracy was this fragile experiment that could have gone away. The Athenians were being attacked by Persia, and they were given the choice.
It was either enjoy life the way they wished it to be or die trying. I think there is such great gallantry in the idea of going to battle, going to war, knowing you are severely outnumbered, but believing you have right on your side.
Imagine having the right to vote on whether to go to war or not. Vote yes, and you've committed yourself to risking your life, fight. Vote no, and you'll be safe, but you'll be ruled by a foreigner. Tough decision. But the point is, it's not being made by a king or a queen. It's being made by ordinary people. Now, the ability to vote, of course, it's not everyone. It's primarily male landholders who can vote. Nonetheless, it's a dramatic shift.
And so the Greeks voted and did something that had never really been done in society before, with the kings and the pharaohs making all these decisions from the top down. This was a bottom-up thing.
When you decide to go to war, you are not fighting for some king. You're fighting for yourself. You're fighting for your family, for your fields.
The Athenians were standing the ground. They had everything at stake. They wanted their way of life. On the other hand, the Persian soldiers were being driven forward. They were conscripts. They didn't believe in what they were doing in every fiber of their being.
What would have happened to democracy if Athens had been overwhelmed and annihilated? That experiment, that brief, transient experiment in empowering people to vote for themselves, might have completely been lost to history.
All right. So again, that was just the video for the assignments. Okay. Somebody said that the video link wasn't working in the doc. So that is where you can find the video now. I'll post that up on the Google Classroom stream right now.